Hey, hello everybody, how's it going? I'm going to talk about hand warmers again. That's like that time of year, especially in the UK, right? I've got these hand warmers in Tesco. You get how many? 5 for £4, I think. So I've got 5, so that's 2 in each pack, okay, 1 in each hand obviously. And they're really good, they really work well. Okay, to start them, you just tear the packet like that, you see, okay, and then you make a cup of tea with them. No, you don't really, but they look like tea bags really, don't they? Big tea bags, but at first they're cold, because what happens is the air gets to them and then they actually start rusting inside, because I think this is iron in here, and there's like a reaction, and the rusting action actually causes heat. More than you think. Okay, you think to yourself, oh, he's wasting his hand warmers, he doesn't need them, he's not outside, but I'm going to come to that in a minute. However, these, once they get hot, they get really good and proper hot. They're the best I've found, to be quite honest, and it says on the packet you can get up to about 10 hours. Well, I haven't got 10 hours. I usually get between 6 and 8, which is still absolutely brilliant. Okay, but if you're getting warm now, what happens if, right, your hands warm up within the hour? Then it's sort of wasted, isn't it? Just for an hour, you think, oh, my hands are red hot now, but they were freezing earlier on. Well, what you need to do then, it's quite simple. You can stop these. The manufacturers won't like me saying this, but you can stop them working by just carry a plastic bag with you, peg, and what happens is stuff in the bag, okay, get as much air out as you can, really tight, get this thing tight, okay, slap the peg on, that'll stop them working. They'll cool down after a while, it'll use any oxygen still left up in the bag, and they'll be ready to go the next day or later on in the day, whatever you want. So you can probably make these last a couple of times at least, you know, just try it. Well, I've tried it. Okay, so there's another tip which it works really well. These are warming up really good now. Yeah, feel them. There you go. Right, the type of gloves that's best for these is these mitts, but unless you're working on something like I'm a window cleaner, so I can't use these, but if you take the dog for a walk, something like that, or hiking, mitts are the best. They just drop inside there, okay, get them right in there, fantastic. Just drop them in. You can either have them on your palm or on the back of your hand, and you put your glove in. If you're getting a really freezing thumb, just slide your thumb out of the thumb piece, put them, all your fingers into this bit. As you can see, my thumb's not in there. Ow, I broke it. Okay. Or if it's that bad, you can have one hand warmer on the back, one on the front. You need 4, of course. My maths is very tough. And they work really well. Now, for my work, I've got a set of these. Now you can see these have got this split finger here. It gives you, it's like a trigger finger for the military. These are really good gloves, and I can just about work water-fed pole with these. And of course, the hand warmer will go in here. You can see inside, but of course that leaves your finger and thumb free. But it still seems to work to a greater extent. Sometimes I still have to take my finger and thumb out and warm them up, but that's the best I can get away with. That's the best dexterity I can get. Other types of gloves, of course, it's going to be a bit of a problem. They'll go inside on the back here, or on the front, inside. Okay, and that's the best you're going to get. You can always slide your fingers out and grab the thing like this. Just walk around with the gloves flopping for a while. You're holding the hand warmer till you get your hands warmer, and then just slot your fingers back in, leave it here. You'll be surprised now the blood goes past, and it helps to keep your fingers warm with it on your palm or on the back of your hand, or on both. Okay, so I'm not going to waste these. I'll probably use them tomorrow, being Monday. Slap them back in here. They're getting really hot now. Absolutely brilliant these. I mean that, they're the best ones I could find. I've tried a few different types, you know. Get all the oxygen out of that. Okay. Get the old peg. Peg him up. And they'll be set for tomorrow then. Okay. Warm hands everybody. Job done.